Hey everyone! If you're here, I'm guessing you're super curious about periods, or you're having periods and need some advice. Either way, I'm here to tell you all about period symptoms and self-care. When you go through puberty and have a uterus, you start getting your period. It's a pretty big deal and signifies a new stage in your life. Your body is preparing for the ability to get pregnant when you're older, if you want to. Periods may seem scary, but they're completely normal. To prepare for hosting a fetus, which is a baby before it's born, your uterus creates a comfy lining. And if you don't get pregnant, your body gets rid of the lining. That's the blood and bits of tissue that come out of your vagina. Nothing sinister. But periods can still be a total pain. Just ask my friend. Everyone experiences periods differently. Some people have a heavy flow of blood, and others don't. Some have mood swings, and others don't. Ow! Some experience painful cramps, and others don't. So what can you do to help? Lots of things. Your period can be sneaky. You're just going about your life when it comes out of nowhere. Ah! To avoid surprises, track your cycle using a calendar or period tracking app. Simply mark the day your period begins and ends each month and see if there's a pattern. Periods can be regular or vary in duration and can be especially unpredictable when you first start. But the more you track your period, the easier it is to plan. Now let's talk about period products. Personally, I love an outfit change, but not if my period forces me to change. That's why it's important to absorb or contain the blood. Why not try one of these nifty period products? First up in our exciting range of disposable products is the Maxi Pad. This non-invasive blood blocker is comfy and fits snugly onto your panties. Now, if you want to plug the problem, quite literally, use a tampon. This absorbent stick soaks up the blood from inside the vagina and needs to be changed every few hours. You can also choose from these reusable, eco-friendly options. Period panties are kinda like maxi pads, but can be washed and reused. Or there's menstrual cups, which go inside the vagina and catch the blood. Everyone has their own preferences when it comes to period products. Experiment and figure out what works for you. Now, let's talk about cramps and how we can ease the pain. You could go for a relaxing bath, or get cozy with a heating pad. Practicing light yoga also works, if you don't have any distractions. Or take over-the-counter pain medication. Just ask a parent or guardian for advice. If you want to talk about your period, you can reach out to others who have periods themselves. Don't be ashamed to ask. It's a completely normal part of life. Just remember, your body is changing. It's an exciting time. You can totally figure it out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be the first to know about the latest videos from AMAZE.org. Bye!